Hi everyone, I'm Siuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to add your name on your iPhone lock screen. Adding your name to the lock screen helps personalize your device and makes it easier to identify. So let's get started on how to add your name on your iPhone lock screen. To add your name on your iPhone lock screen, you need to download the AnyText app. So open the App Store, search for AnyText and download it. Once the app is installed, open it on your iPhone. In the app, enter the name or text that you would like to display on your lock screen. Now, go to the iPhone's lock screen. Tap and hold on any empty area until you see the Customize option. Tap on the Customize option at the bottom of the screen. Select the lock screen option to start editing your lock screen layout. Tap on the Add Widgets option. Scroll through the list until you find any text, then tap on it. You will see your entered name appear. Tap on it to add it to your lock screen. Finally, tap the Done button in the top right corner to save your changes. And this is how you can add your name on your iPhone lock screen. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.